pane nhau aiwa iri kushoka vanhu yakabuditswa muzara nezuro aiwa naICT minister Tatina Mavetera, uyo aiwa ari kufesa resistance yakanyanyisa nevagari venyika yeZimbabwe. Mashoko emaWhatsApp admin. Sandapinda mashoko anomuda nyogwa panapa notibva subscribe like or turn the bell icon. Kana ungasaranzwa nyaya iyi rikatipinde vari kanyora vachiti Zimbabwe's ICT minister announces new licensing requirements for WhatsApp group admins. Zimbabwe's Minister of ICT, Postal and Carrier Services, Honorable Tatina Mavetera, has announced that all WhatsApp group administrators will soon be required to register and obtain a license from the Post and Telecommunication Regulatory Authority of Zimbabwe (POTRAZ) to operate their groups. The new licensing requirements outlined at a recent POTRAZ breakfast meeting set the minimum cost for a license of $50. The fees varying depending on the nature of the group. In addition to obtaining a license, WhatsApp group admins will also be required to appoint a data protection officer trained and certified by POTRAZ. This move is intended to ensure compliance with Zimbabwe's Data Protection Act, which governs the handling of personal information under the Act. Personal data is defined as any information that can be used to directly or indirectly identify a person. Since WhatsApp groups admins have access to members' phone numbers, the government argues that these groups fall under data protection regulations. Mashwa muda tauka panapa na minister venyu minister Mavetera chiitiko nawe yapinzwa mudaro iyi atipodi kumbenda zvakawanda atibotudza mafunguro enyu noti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi notoona kuti vanhu aiwa vari kuuya vachijamuka vachiti vakomana kunyange uri group admin wemagroups amino mangani panapa patoshata. Botudza mafunguro enyu noti kudii pamusoro penhau iyi pina comment section yedu. Subscribe or like and turn on the bell icon.